Alright, well, welcome back. In my last video I picked this ASSA 2 snowman with this bidding on the key in about 1.5 minutes using the Sparrows deep hook. Didn't expect to pick it open. The reason I do this video is that I've been trying to pick this particular lock with all these picks, and no one up to that video I successfully picked that lock. And my go-to pick to pick these kinds of cores is this one. This is a GoSo 32 thousandths of an inch thick deep hook. Value about, I don't know, 30 cents. You can buy these for about $3, 11-piece kit. So I guess about 30 cents. And all the other ones, they are these three are Southord stainless steel, really nice picks. However, they are a bit too glossy for my feel, or for my taste, and a bit flimsy. They are 21 thousandths of an inch. This one is too short height, so I get no feedback and no strength at all. And this one is also a Southord deforest diamond, and this one is I don't get that feedback and no strength to feel those pins. This is the Sparrows I used. Very neat, pretty short, stout in the rear, and really good feedback. Really hard stainless steel. This one is also Sparrows. This is the high reach, they call it. I haven't managed to pick that ASSA with this one either, because it's too steep, I guess. This is a Peterson gem, 25 thousandths black handle. This is not. This is too tall. The shaft is too tall to get inside of that keyway. Successfully picking those inner pins. So that doesn't work. And this is a deforest diamond from Peterson as well, 25 thousandths black handle. I got this one from Jail Hoffy, so thank you very much for that. But I haven't successfully picked this one with deforest diamond either. Something is I don't get that feedback that I want from a pick, because the springs in these cores, they are really hard, really high tension, those springs, so you need something stout to get that feedback. And these three on the right, they are Dangerfield picks. They're also 25 thousandths. This one I polished up a bit. Deforest ball, also too delicate and a bit too long for my taste to get that feedback. And these two, they're just ridiculous. Can't use them. They're too this one is too crazy. I can't get inside to those inner pins with this one. And this one is too short of the heights, and no feedback at all, too flimsy. So to conclude, to pick these, for me at least, ASSA Rucos with heavy springs and 7-pin snowman cores. The cheapest one is my go-to pick. This is a 32,000, so really good feedback plastic handle, hard plastic, and it's a deep hook, so I can really get in there and feel those pins. So that's just a short video on my pick choice for the larger ASSAs. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you know, welcome back. So see ya, bye.